Today we're going to speak about the common time, the cut time, and the 4/4 time signature. What's the difference between them and when do we use them? Common time, cut time, and 4/4 time signature. C as your time signature, it means common time. And common time means 4/4 time signature, because this is the most common time signature. You remember the upper number shows us how many beats there are in a measure, and the bottom number shows us what kind of beats they are. 4/4 means that there are 4 quarter notes in one measure. A lot of people think that this C-sharp time signature stands for common time, but this is not true. It is a leftover from the early mensural notation, where the notes could be divided either into 2 or 3 parts, and the division into 3 parts were called perfect. And this is because of the Holy Trinity. The Catholic Church was in charge of most of terminology, and this 3, Holy Trinity, was perfect for them. And the division into 2 were imperfect. The perfect time, tempus perfectum, was a circle, and a half circle, a broken circle, was the time signature with a division into 2. And we know this sign nowadays as common time. But when you see a C-sharp time signature cut in half, this is a cut time signature. So we cut 4/4 time signature in half, and it becomes 2/2 time signature. So what is the difference? If we have a common time signature, we would count it like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like strong, weak, medium strong, weak. And the cut time signature we count as 1, 2, 1, 2, compared to 1, 2, 3, 4. As an example, a D major fugue written by Johann Sebastian Bach. This composition is written in cut time signature, and we should count in 2. Pam 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 pam. And this is how it would sound if we would play it in 4/4 time signature. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, versus 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Somehow this cut time gives more flow in the composition. Common time and 4/4 time signature mean basically the same, and when we see cut time, we need to count in 2. Sometimes it will also lead to a faster tempo because it gives more flow. For example, very often the conductors would conduct alla breve, so in cut time, when the tempo is fast, it's much easier for the orchestra and for the singers to see a conductor giving these beats rather than like this. And for us pianists, when we play alla breve in cut time, we avoid too many stresses. So sometimes it's for the faster tempo, sometimes it's better for the flow, and sometimes the composer wants to have different phrasing as a time signature.